Okay, this is a morning brief for the 2nd of June 2026. Just switching on the camera and just taking a fresh look. Start on the daily chart. So Monday now has closed below Friday's low. So Friday closed above Thursday's high, and then we swept these highs up here, and now Monday started off the week with that big drop on the US Open on talks that Iran has stopped message exchanges with the US in protest against what they call Zionist crimes. That sent the dollar flying up, oil went up, S&P dropped, and we're sort of just in the afterflows of that at the moment. So looking at the daily on gold, we crashed through this value area high that was left over from Thursday's trading. So we've gone through that, closing below Friday's low. Drop down now to the trading time frame. Have a look what happened yesterday. Really, for Asia, it was just a story of inside trading. The first 5-minute bar set the range for the next 4 hours of trading. It was about a 320 tick 5-minute bar, and just a nasty doji. The Asian Open range just kept getting dragged across until we got a close back after 5 hours. We closed below. There was a trade. I wasn't trading at this time, but I'm just I did a recap of this, and I'll do a recap of another potential setup where we had a close below the New York value area low, had to wait for the Asian Open range to be closed below, and then the retest of that value area low to trade down to the lower value fire line. Eventually price made its way down to the previous day's low. Found some sort of profit taking or reaction off that. The value area, the lower value fire line held price there, a couple of rejections, and then we got this really strong move down, and price is basically inside. It did sweep this low, so that's always a good sign that price might be coming back up to come and take out any orders that are here, either collect them for a further move down or to keep moving up. So this now I can get rid of. This low, I'll move to yesterday's low. Now where are we setting up for today? Switch on my fixed range volume profile. I'll draw the profile zone across there. And the point of control is down here, which is nice. That could be a nice target. Switch that back off. Where are we? Okay, we are, first hour has just closed. We'll draw in the Asian Open range, which is the first 30 minutes of the day's trading. And have we had a close below that yet? No. So I will move this down to here, and we'll keep dragging this across. Price it has closed above this dynamic value line. We have the value area high from yesterday's New York session. Point of control is down here where the lower value fire line is. The inflection point is up here. That could be a nice target. We've got this hourly high just sitting up there. We are inside this hourly range. Making note of that. So potential shorts, we'll probably have to get below this lower values, this lower fire line here, and the point of control, but that could act as a magnet for price. If we get a close, an hourly close above this value area high, be very happy targeting something up into this hourly high and a return to this inflection point here. That would make a lot of sense. Would love to see this hourly low swept and then a move back up there, but that's what I'm seeing at the moment. I can't really see anything else. Before this move down, this high wasn't grabbed, so that's another potential. We'll put that up there and we'll just see how that plays out. But at the moment we're still inside the Asian Open range, so nothing to do there.